trying to move that stack along, get plenty of room to come in and snap. Yeah, perfect. That guy's off 5 tractors on the whole wall. Hey guys, welcome back to the mill. Got something special this morning. Got Jamie Wampler here from Spray Foam Specialties. Gonna be doing the sealing of the walls in our addition as well as the sealing in the Sawmill building itself. You've seen in the clip before, Jamie's a man of all talents. He's actually a certified welder. I broke the thumb on the machine this morning. He stepped in, welded it back on for me. If this spray foam thing don't work out, he'd go back to welding. And then he throws a little kicker in. He said, my wife's better than me. She's a certified inspector. So that's what we're doing today. It'll be a lot of time lapse. We'll get a chance. We'll sit down and talk to Jamie in a minute, maybe. We appreciate you watching, guys. Hang in there, and we'll get it done. Hey guys, we've been busy this morning. Hadn't took a whole lot of time to stop and talk. Jamie finished up in here. Got the addition done, the walls, the ceiling. Looks great. Try it this way. There you go. We're not going for a full pack out on the spray foam. I just told him 2, 3, 4 inches, whatever. This is kind of the bare minimum he can do. Like I say, we're just doing it for sound deadening and keeping the heat off our heads. It got started in here, and he started with 2 half barrels and just ran out, so he had to switch it out. So he's got 2 full barrels. He'll have, you know, part A, part B. He'll have more than enough to finish up. But Matthew and I this morning had to go around and blow the ceiling out. For some reason it was dusty up there. I don't know why, but we blowed the ceiling out and went around and put the plastic up for him while he was spraying in there.
It was a mad dash getting everything out of here.
Yeah, but you never had spray foam done. I love it. It's like building a new house. It'd be a toss-up from open sale to closed sale, because there is a big cost difference, but you can't beat it. So we're waiting on him to get set back up, and then this should go quick. I didn't get to watch him spraying this part. I had a customer come by and dropped off some logs, but
We did that in about 5 minutes.
yeah, as you said, that's about 5 minutes to cover that square footage, and that's from, you know, this wall all the way out. I know that's 5, 10, 15, that's 20 feet by 8 feet. Yeah, 160 square feet there, about 5 minutes with nothing in the way, just putting it down in a hurry. So, we'll be right back. Okay, guys. I know it's been a long time last. We stopped a couple times to talk, but unfortunately, Jamie's hip had some issues with family. He had to leave. So Matthew and I, we was going to be here to help anyway, but we took over his helper's job. We were helper 1 and helper 2. If you can see the ceiling, it's done. It looks great. I know this series is about our molder planer edition, which is in the other room, but while he's here, we wanted this done, and we had the ceiling done. Matthew and I went through our hose, blowed all the sawdust off. I don't know why it was so dusty in here, and we did all the taping for him. All he had to do is get the approved man basket there and go to spread. And I think he liked it. It went pretty quick. We did this whole ceiling probably about an hour, and some of that was waiting on this product to heat up in the barrel because he had to switch barrels out. But if you're in Western North Carolina, Upstate South Carolina area, you need spray foam, contact Jamie Wampler at Spray Foam Specialties. His information will definitely be in the description below. Great guy, always dependable. He did our kiln. I've recommended him to countless people, and I've never heard a complaint from them. I definitely don't have a complaint. We got another little project over here. Hopefully this year we'll have him back to do it too. But that's gonna do it. If you got any questions about spray foam, you know, there's a lot of controversy. People got different opinions on it. If I was building a new house, it'd be in my house. I love it. That being said, make sure you get a qualified person that understands a little bit of the chemistry of what they're doing to do it correctly. We need to clean up, but Matthew and I have sucked up too much of this smell today. We're probably gonna quit, come back tomorrow and clean up. We appreciate you watching, guys. If you would, like, subscribe, and share. Our channel count is growing by leaps and bounds. We greatly appreciate it. Also, shout out to Third Beard. He's under the rag today. He's under the weather. We got him covered up. And I guess Old Glory's into distress too. We got it covered up. But if you get a chance, check out Solomon's channel, Third Beard Fishing. Like I say, if he don't quit fishing so much, I'm gonna find him a job. But we do appreciate him, Matthew, doing our videos. As always, Joe Maine and Industrial Cutting Tools. Great guy, great company to deal with. Guys, that's gonna do it for today. We'll be back when we got some barn doors to build, I hope. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.